Hey everybody!
Hi!
Welcome back to another episode of
FilAmstagram!
So it's been a while. We wanted to do an update video because we've been hard at work. And of course we got a Vanlife dog, right Miriam?
Yeah!
So this is Cutie. We want to properly introduce Cutie. She's going to be traveling with us. So far it seems like she's a pretty good traveling dog.
Yep.
And so what have we been up to? We've been up to plenty. We're going to show you. The first project we've been up to is the wood laminate flooring, which has been a game changer, you know? And people would wonder why. They would say, oh, it's going to get scratched, or oh, it's going to get... But who cares? I mean, it's a floating floor. Actually, when I started the video, I said I was going to glue the panels in. I decided not to glue them in. I just left them floating, but I've put silicone around them so they can move, but it'll be like a flexible kind of little movement. It's not going to be like a major movement. So it feels good on the feet, doesn't it, ladies?
Oh, yes.
What do you think?
Definitely better than the rusty metal before.
Yeah.
Standing up, going.
We'll ask you to comment on that. What do you think's better? You'll see the metal in the video. And then. So anyway, this is our tiny home on wheels. So we decided to put wood laminate in. When you're going to do a house, you know, and if you want to do wood floors in a house, of course it's going to be 80 square meters, 100 square meters, 200 square meters. Guess how many was here? 2. 2 square meters. So why not splurge, right?
Oh, yeah.
Even if it only lasts a year and it scratches up and it doesn't look pretty after a little while. Oh well, we pull it up and we get 2 more meters or something else.
Yep.
Maybe a color change. Maybe we'll change all the colors of the cabinets next year. You know,
Or
maybe we'll have a whole different theme next year. We don't
Put
know.
a carpet.
Yeah.
Something.
So anyway, it's awesome. The second one is
The loft.
Hello!
Miriam's room is really coming together now. It
With
still
the
needs a
light.
little tweaking to do, but I think she's gonna love it, and we'll show you that too. So stay tuned. Cutie, welcome to the world of van lifers.
Yeah, this is gonna be the next big white. When she grows up, this is gonna be the 4th big white. Big white van with a big white man with a big white hair and a big white dog.